Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and tech to give you the real scoop. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the wireless earbuds by BEBEN. Let's jump right in. These wireless earbuds promise an impressive 40 hours of playtime with just 1.5 hours of charging. But do they really deliver? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about design. These earbuds boast a sleek and compact design, perfect for on-the-go use. The semi-linear earbuds are smaller and fit snugly into your ears, providing both comfort and stability. And check out this charging case. Not only is it small and lightweight, but it also holds enough power to give you up to 40 hours of playtime on the go. Plus, with the USB-C charging cable, you can easily recharge these earbuds anywhere, anytime. Now, let's talk about functionality. These earbuds feature smart touch controls, allowing you to pause, play, adjust volume, answer calls, and more with just a simple tap. And with Bluetooth 5.3 technology, pairing is a breeze. Just open the case, and they'll connect to your device automatically. But what about durability? Well, these earbuds are not only sweat-proof but also IPX6 waterproof, making them perfect for workouts or outdoor activities without worrying about damage. And let's not forget about sound quality. With high-definition speakers, you'll experience immersive stereo sound with crisp highs and deep bass, allowing you to truly enjoy your music without any compromises. One of the standout features of these earbuds is the ability to switch between single or binaural mode freely. Whether you prefer using one earbud or both, you'll still get the same seamless experience. So, what's the verdict? The BEBEN Wireless Earbuds offer an incredible combination of design, functionality, and performance at an unbeatable price point. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a music lover, or just someone who appreciates quality audio, these earbuds have something to offer for everyone. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Until next time, happy listening.